Greetings one and all. How's everyone doing? I hope very well. Welcome back to Cast Iron Wednesday. Yeah, we're gonna do some steak tacos. Just one, it sounded good. Two, kind of on the simpler side this week, but it should still be delicious because I like steak and I like tacos. So why not combine the two? Let's get to it. Got my skillet heating up. Oh, I think it's actually hot. So let's throw the steak in. Been doing this, I started this video marinating this steak, a little bit of steak sauce and some mole sauce. I have a blurry camera. I got some pinto beans heating up here, just a small little supportware. I got my skillet here, which I'm going to warm up my taco shells, either the zero net carb, high fiber taco shells, soft tacos. And for my other side, I'm going to try this 90-second rice, cilantro or lime. Then I've got an avocado, which may be a little too hard, maybe not fully ripe, but I'm a little hesitant to cut it open. And then I've got a lime, so not much going in. I got a little mole sauce, but I don't know if I'm gonna use it for anything else besides the marinade. So let's gonna prep up a tomato as well. Actually, I just got these new Hinkle knives in. I just got these today. I went through and I ordered a couple things that I've been meaning to. I'm going to throw a few tomato slices on my tacos. Cuts like a dream. Got my skillet starting to warm up. I just have a tiny bit of butter in there. Get these warmed up. Steaks cooking up nicely. Feels like it's about pretty close. I'm not cooking the steak under crazy high heat, so I can go ahead and kill the burner and pull it and let it rest. Just like that. Just a little bit awkward, but I'm actually completely out of plates. I was going to run the dishwasher this morning and I just totally forgot. And here's my rice. And I'll just put the beans here on the side. Of course, I gotta add black pepper because that's my thing. Alright. Got my shells sitting here staying warm. At cast iron, it's gonna hold a lot of heat. So, alright, get my steak cut. Small little piece, I got a sample. Yum. Alright. A little bit of steak. A little pepper jack cheese, a little cheddar cheese, slice of tomato, squeeze a lime. Nice. Alright. I'm no stranger to standing over the sink while I eat, so yeah, I like that marinade. Try a little bit of the beans and the rice. Wow. For a packaged rice, that's actually pretty tasty. I think I'm going to sit down and eat dinner because this is quite good. Well, I do appreciate you all watching. Just a quick one today, or this week. Tastes delicious, so I can't wait to get down, start getting into this. Yeah, the playlist for Cast Iron Wednesday will be down in the description, and last week's video will be in the end, and the playlist will be down there too. Thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your week. I'll catch you in the next one.